We have created a video of E631 chemical a year back in 2021 where we have seen what is E631. If you haven't seen that video, please check in the I section button above somewhere here. Today we have created a video about things that are haram in Islam, and according to Islam these things are prohibited to eat. And here we are gonna specifically look at the foods, and I'll be highlighting 6 foods that you probably didn't know were haram in Islam. How is going, guys? Welcome back to Ramoz Facts. My name is Mohsin, and if you didn't know already, for this specific topic we are gonna see that some of these foods Muslims have been probably eating them, but they didn't know that these foods are haram. So make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss any part. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and share this video with your friends and family so that they can know these things and be safe from haram foods. So let us jump into the video. Starting from number 6, we have the food Jell-O. Now this is a very common dessert. Who doesn't like Jell-O? Kids love this, right? But it's known that Jell-O contains gelatin, which is protein derived from the pig bones, skin and their connected tissues. Isn't so halal after all? This makes more surprise. At number 5, red candy. So red candy, strawberry flavored candy, anything red that tastes sweet, that pretty much in candy category. It's often dyed with the food coloring called carmine, and carmine is made from dead crushed up beetles. It's produced when these insects are boiled with sodium carbonate or ammonia, which then produces the bright red dye. Therefore, it's recommended that you see the ingredients list before buying any food. Next one is Japanese food at number 4. Well, if you are worried about following the halal guidelines, then it would be beneficial for you to check ingredients of food that you are ordering in a restaurant or buying at the store, of course. Many of these Japanese foods, they use soy sauce and it contains alcohol. Other haram ingredients include mirin, and this is a type of rice wine. One that is haram. On number 3, it comes instant fried tofu. Tofu is often used as a meat substitute for vegans and vegetarians. Tofu is fried in pork fat in order to retain its crispiness. Regardless whether you are ordering for halal food as a Muslim, or if you are vegan or vegetarian looking to stay away from animal products altogether, just always double check what is used to prepare your tofu. At number 2 is cheese fondue. So cheese fondue is a traditional Swiss dish that makes use of white wine or alcohol. So with that said, it's haram food item. Alright, before we get into the last haram food, just a reminder that we did do a video series about haram things in Islam as well as halal things. I'll link to both of these videos in the description below so you can check them out, because like I mentioned in this video, we are just looking at the food, but it extends to a whole other world of things that can fall under haram section. And in some cases the term halal, although yes, halal is used for specifically food in slang, halal is used for other permissible things in Islam. So finally, at number 1, we have spirit vinegar. Alcohol products and alcohol containing are just haram in Islam, and even if alcohol has evaporated in the end, so therefore spirit vinegar is haram. However, if alcohol is not used in making vinegar, then it is halal. So it's advised that you check the description of the ingredients before buying it, just to make sure you don't accidentally have alcohol or haram food. By this I'll end my video. We'll meet in the another episode of this video. Until then, take care and bye bye.